Hey folks, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review. Did I say review? No, a pre-order update. And it's for a Michael Biehn autograph private signing. And now there's a dual autograph with Linda Hamilton and a standalone one for himself. So let's look at the dual private signing for Linda Hamilton and Michael Biehn. Let's take a look, shall we? Okay. So yeah, let's take a look at what they have. Let's see their own items. Alrighty, and let's start with the 8x10s. Our hero and heroine in there. That's 8x10. 11x14. So let's check out the price very carefully, folks. Okay, so the 11x14 is woo. So both dual signings are going to be 175 bucks. 11x14, 185. The poster, it'll be 215 bucks. 11x17 of the theatrical poster of the first movie, and the 12x18 of the theatrical poster. $215, same price. Wow. And depends on how you want it signed, with their signatures, character names, personalizations. You get the drift, and pick whatever pen for them to sign. And for the standalone one, so the dual signing will end on the 18th, same day as the Linda Hamilton private signing. And for Michael Biehn is 85 bucks. If you may know his work from The Terminator, Tombstone, Aliens, The Abyss, and the Navy SEALs, Tombstone, and I said Tombstone. And of course he's in The Mandalorian. So yeah. And you got scenes from every of his films that he had done, including him against the exoskeleton. Them, our hero and heroine are being chased by the cyborg. And you got Aliens, you got Planet Terror, did I forget about that? And him next to the great Tom Savini. And there's Charlie Sheen, scenes from The Abyss, and then The Rock. He did The Rock with Sean Connery and Nicolas Cage, Walking Dead, and our Marine hero, Dwayne Hicks. Alright, so the 8x10 is going to cost you $85. 11x14 will be about 90 bucks. So let's take a look at it carefully. And then the 11x17 of the posters from Mandalorian, The Rock, Tombstone, Navy SEAL, The Terminator, The Abyss, Aliens, and Tombstone. Two variants. So the posters are going to cost you 105 bucks. 12x18 is going to cost you about 105 bucks as well. So yeah, so these will be okay. So apparently right now the store is going to be closed. Their website is going to be closed. Well, their store / online store are going to be closed on the 28th of June. That'll be that'll be tomorrow. Wow. And they're gonna be on a family vacation. So yeah, all placed orders during this time will be shipped as soon as they return. So yeah, folks, if you're gonna plan on getting something, get it like now. Like get it now. And you're gonna have to wait for that for another time. So anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Tuesday night, y'all. Hear you, and see you on the next vid. Later. Also, I forgot to mention one more thing. Linda Hamilton announced right from Arnold Schwarzenegger about a week or two ago that Linda Hamilton will be appearing on season 5 of Stranger Things. Oh my God. Now, who's excited to see that? Like, really, man. If anybody has any opinions, comments down below. So, yeah. Signing off, y'all. Hear you soon.